Alright, good morning. This is now Unit 8, Section 1, the first worksheet. We'll call it A. It's called Functions in Ordered Pairs. So first question says, state whether each set of ordered pairs represents a function. So since we're looking at functions, these are ordered pairs. What I'm trying to do to be successful here is look at all the x values first. 10, -2, -6, 5, 8, -11. Okay, so again, I'm looking at all the x values all the way through. Remember, x always comes first, then y. Okay, and I want to make sure that for every x goes to a unique y. So I don't want to see x there twice. Okay, so as long as x occurs, like 10 occurs once, -2 occurs once, -6, 5, 8, -11. I don't have any repeated x values. So then this will be a yes. Okay, number 3. Again, I'm going to look at my x values. Remember, y always comes second. Here's a -13. I'm looking for any repeats of x values only. So 7, oh, there's a -13 right there. Since I see -13 going to 4, and -13 going to 9, I cannot have that happen in a function. So this is a no. Number 5. Same thing. I'm just going to make sure I'm always going to do the x values, not the y's, but the x's. Here's a -4, a 5, 11, 9, 5. Oh, here's a 5 right here. So I have a repeat. I can't have that. So that is a definite no. I'll go back to number 3 and kind of underline where that was happening. We had -13 right there, -13 right there, so I can't have this. Number 7, we have again x's and y's, and I'm just looking at the x value only. So 6, -12, -6, and 20. No repeats of the x value, and that will give me a yes. Okay. The B part. There's 3 questions down here for that. I'm going to slide it. There we go. Make sure we can get that on there so you can see. Still not happening. There we go. Okay. So B part, state whether each ordered pairs on the graph represents a function. Here I'm going to use what's called the vertical line test. What that means, again, vertical line goes up and down. Okay, so vertical line test. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to draw vertical lines on my graphs, and if I ever hit 2 points or more, it is not going to be a function. Okay, that's what the vertical line test tells us. We can, for it to be a function, we can only hit it in one spot, not 2. So if I were to draw a vertical line here, 1 point would be on it. This line, 1 point would be on, but here, if I draw this line down through, I hit in 2 spots, there and there. So this is a no right away for the vertical line test. I'm hitting 2 spots on the same vertical line. Okay, number 2, here's 1 point. No other points on that vertical line. This one, no points on that vertical line. None here. Just 1 point, just 1 point, just 1 point, just 1 point. So this graph is a yes, because vertical lines only hit in 1 point every single time I were to draw one. Okay, just 1 point every time. Okay, number 3. Again, same thing. Looking for vertical lines as I draw it through. Okay, this one, just 1 spot. This one, just 1. This one, just 1 spot. Vertical lines, 1. Over here, just 1. And over here, just 1. So this is also going to be a yes. Again, going back to my no graph, I hit in 2 spots. This is why it is a no. Okay, 2 or more spots will give you a no answer. Now that was 8-1. I'm also going to do the second sheet, function tables, and take a look at it now from a table perspective. instead of from a coordinate perspective. Same idea applies though. I'm looking for duplicate x's. Duplicate x's is going to tell me it's going to be a no right away. So I want to make sure that I'm doing that and you understand that that's going to be the reason behind it. So the first column, I'm looking for those duplicate x's. Do I see an x value that's duplicated anywhere through here? And the answer is I do not see any, so they're all different. So that would be a yes, that would be a function. Okay. Number 2 across the way, looking for duplicates. Okay, yep, I have a duplicate. There's 9 and there's 9, so right away I'm going to say no, especially when they go to different y values. Okay. Now if it was the exact same y value, then it could be a yes, but they're not going to give you one where 9 and negative 18 and 9 and negative 18 again. They won't do that. So they're always going to be different y values. But the x's are duplicated, that's why it's a no. Alright, number 3. Okay, we have 4, 1, 4. Oh, there's my duplication right there. 2 4s. And they are going to different y values. That's why it would be a no. And you would find too, if you were to use graph paper on these and you did your vertical line test, the vertical line test here at 4, negative 20 and 4, negative 14, they would be on the same vertical line, which would make them a no. So let's do one more, then I'll let you do 5 and 6 on your own. Number 4, just checking here. Any duplicate values here? I do not see any, so this would be a yes. So we have 2 functions on 1 and 4, and 2 and 3 are not functions. Okay, you can do the rest and double check your answers in the answer sheet that follows. Thank you.